Guys, ito na yung way para hindi ka masyadong mapagod sa pagbisita kay Mount Fuji. Wala nang lipat-lipat ng train, pagbaba mo, picture ka na lang agad. Disclaimer, actually we were planning to do a DIY trip pero nung nakita namin and based on our research, mas mura at mas convenient yung tour package. You can book the same tour on Klook, links in the comment section. First stop, the Hikawa Clock Shop. Dito namin na-realize, hindi lang pala si Mount Fuji ang dahilan ng trip na to. Chill countryside vibes, Instagrammable na kalsada, and vintage feels. Sobrang aesthetic sana kung nagpakita lang din si Mount Fuji. Next is the Churito Pagoda. Ito yung iconic Mount Fuji photo spot pero bago mo marating, aakyat ka muna ng 300 steps. Pagdating mo sa taas, ang vibrant ng color ng pagoda. Sobrang ganda. Perfect sana, kaso wala pa rin si Fuji-san. Nagtago siya. Still, the view was totally worth the hike. Then the Oshino Hakai. Crystal clear spring water, super linis. And yes, drinkable. May traditional Japanese village feels din. Dito ka rin makakabili ng Mount Fuji merch at pasalubong. Vintage vibes, sobrang aesthetic, parang nasa anime. And last stop, the Oishi Park. Finally, Mount Fuji showed up. Kahit tuktok lang ang nakita namin, sobrang breathtaking. Yung creation ni God dito, hindi kaya ng photo or video i-capture yung ganda niya. May lake, may flowers, and may Mount Fuji. All in one frame. Ang surreal kahit medyo cloudy buong araw. And bonus stop, pumunta kami sa Lawson. Quick convenience snack run. Kasi walang tour na complete ng walang kain sa Lawson. Overall, super convenient, hassle-free, and sulit for a first time sa Mount Fuji. Save this for your Japan itinerary and tag someone you want to bring. Yun lang muna. Follow for more Japan travel tips.